Welcome to Rain Nail Studio. My name is Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how I prep for long-lasting gel extensions. This particular client returns every 4 to 6 weeks, and every time she comes here lately, we've had such good retention. Her nails are still on with no lifting, no breaks. She's been doing a pretty good job of taking care of them. So she came in, we had to do a soak off. So you might see a bit of gel left behind, which is perfectly fine. You can continue prep as long as the leftover gel isn't discolored or that you have any air pockets. So I'm going in with a fine sanding band, and on this particular client, she does not require a lot of cuticle work, just a little cleanup, which usually is taken care of by my sanding band. And once this step is completed, I will go ahead, cleanse the nail plate, and get her sized for the correct apres tips. It is important that you have the right size just to avoid your nails popping off, lifting, anything of that nature. I do have a more detailed video on my channel. I will go ahead and leave it down in the description box about sizing for full cover tips. I'm just going to insert a clip of me applying one of the full cover tips. You can see it's covered from sidewall to sidewall, and the gel is covering the entirety of the natural nail. Last step for good retention is to make sure you are not flooding your cuticle area. This goes for every step. That means primer, dehydrator, gel, the tip itself, and then of course gel polish and top coat. You want to make sure you get a clean application, okay? But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Make sure that you subscribe and follow me on Instagram at BeccaB_. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.